Welcome to one of Echo's 3 warehouses that we have in Pomona, California. Today we're going to introduce 2 of our Walkie jacks that have the load backrest. The first one I want to show you is this EP20E-LI that has a built-in charger, 4,400 pound capacity, and electronic key notation on this. It also has a battery discharge indicator as well as a turtle speed. Very great units for mid-range to larger warehouses. You can use them in the back of delivery trucks, but most commonly they're used in the warehouse. 4,400 pound capacity. The other option we have is the larger capacity, the EP25E, which has an external charger. It has a 55-inch load backrest. It also has a standard key and a battery discharge indicator on this particular one. These are the 2 units that we offer load backrest included. These are the only models that are available, and they are lithium power, and our customers seem to love it. Please contact Echo directly or your account manager for more information. We'd love to assist you in any way we can.